In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Power Saver on Google Chrome. If you've noticed Chrome toning down animations, slightly softening video quality, or pausing background activity to stretch your battery, that's the Energy Saver feature at work. It's useful on the go, but if you want Chrome running at full performance all the time, here's how to switch it off quickly and confidently. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left side of the settings page, select Performance. Here you'll see the Energy Saver section. Simply toggle Energy Saver off. That's it. Once the switch is off, Chrome stops applying those power-saving limits. You should notice smoother animations, consistent video quality, and normal behavior in background tabs without the quiet throttling Chrome does to conserve power. If you prefer to jump straight there, use the quick shortcut. Click the address bar, type Chrome/settings/performance, and press enter. This opens the same performance page instantly. Find Energy Saver and toggle it off. Both methods change the exact same setting, so choose whichever feels fastest for you. Let's talk about what changes once it's off. With Energy Saver disabled, Chrome will no longer reduce animation smoothness or lower video quality to save battery. Background tabs can run more normally, which can help with tasks like music streaming, live dashboards, or web apps that update in the background. The trade-off is battery life. Because Chrome isn't capping activity behind the scenes, your device may use a bit more power. If you mostly browse while plugged in, that extra performance is usually worth it. If you're often on the move, you can always come back and re-enable Energy Saver later when battery life takes priority. A quick but important note for mobile users. On Android, there isn't a manual Energy Saver switch inside Chrome. This feature is available on Windows, macOS, and Chromebooks. On phones, battery-saving behavior is controlled by Android system settings, not by Chrome itself. So if you're using an Android device, changes you make in Chrome's desktop settings won't appear there, and that's all you need. By turning off Energy Saver, you're telling Chrome to prioritize smooth visuals, consistent video playback, and active background tabs. Use the settings path or the direct shortcut, pick what fits your workflow, and enjoy a faster, more responsive browsing experience.